Amtanzini wedolopha Thinyanga titfutfuma Kukhuluma kwetinkohlakalo Kuhambe nemoya Tingabale tikhanyako Timphanze titinye Sitsemba siphukile tinhlitiyo tiboshiwe Oh inhlitiyo lelimalele Ikhala ebusuku Ifuna emadawule Ligalelo lelumupo Kodwa emagetanga elubambile ngelukhuni Kubani lotawuvikela liqiniso Ubani lotawulwa Umfula weliqiniso uhamba kancane
Hayi lokhu senisayinile ke. Seniyathatha ke into. Kushona kwamandla kona kukabi info lemnanzi. Kepha ngingolo kunilethela injabulo nini. Mr Godwin nguye ke lo nibhatalele bail. Kunjani?
Mr Godwin
Unlinzile nje nyalo ula ngaphandle. Ya seningakhuleka.
So okay.
How are you guys?
Very good. How are you, sir?
Good afternoon. Good.
Great.
Welcome.
So are you Mr. Godwin?
Oh yes, I am.
Oh, the one who paid our fee.
Oh yes, I am. You're welcome, guys.
We are very much grateful for what
You're
you've done,
welcome.
sir.
So I was introduced to you guys to me by Mrs. Milani.
Oh.
Yeah, she told me you guys can work with me. Yeah, she told me a lot about you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I came in.
Okay, no, that's great, sir. We are very much grateful for
You're
what you have
welcome.
done for us. We really appreciate, sir. By the way, my name is Maboyane Kametse, and here is Hard Boy.
Oh, good.
He's a Dlamini guy. Yes, we are working together.
Yeah, I think you guys must be hungry and thirsty now. Let's go to town and look for a better restaurant to sit, dine and wine together.
Yes,
so that we
please.
can talk about business.
Yes,
Let's make cool money together, guys.
Yes, please.
Yeah, let's roll it.
Hello?
Oh, hi, Mr. Tando. Anita Insatel.
Oh. Anita. Ngusitanga.
Ngive rumors. Ngemumpila sive lo shishimbisa mamphambatani. Manje bengifuna ukuthi wena liphenyo ngalenzayo.
Ushombamba. Okay. Buya sikhuluma.
Okay. Ngingeta ehhovisi lakho.
No. Hayi office. Buya la ngikhona la. Fairview North. Take your left. First left. Right. Then your right. There. Yeah. Right there. I'm there. Lankhona.
Okay, bye.
Baby. Hey, baby, njani?
Yebo babe njani?
Ngiyaphila na. How ekuseni wayishushu hamba like is about the call ayitolo. But actually not I'm sorry anyways. Like I'm sorry, babe.
Oh, thinking. Manje awusho wendani la emsebenzini ngoba uyabona nje singasebenzi.
Aw babe, sekucala ukuthi ngitenge lunch hour yakho like bengicaba ukuthi uyanawuzana. Ngiyathanza ukuthi ngitenge lunch hour yakho. Hi Mama Joy.
Yep.
Anyways, baby, ngikuphathele kudla yathi. And it's your favorite food. You can check it out.
Ngifika inibanele. Lana kusemsebenzini la uyabona nje sikuse office. And mina angikakuceli ukuthi ungilethele kudla la emsebenzini. Nangabe sengilambile ngawuhamba ngiyofuna kudla e-restaurant. So ngiyabonga.
Yani drama lengaka like yani drama ngaka baby. Kudla nje lokho and it's your favorite food. Mama Joy.
Yeah. Ngicela bitte igama lami. Uma nami sengiyinifambi yakho. Uyasho mase akufuni.
Guys, idrama lengaka kudla lokho like just food. Kodwa lo tawushona ukusadle lokudla.
Idrama lengaka. Uyasho akakufuni. Thatha kudla kwakho uhambe. Nina ninjalo nina nichamuka nemigcomo yabo khonzekayo. Nithi ndo bribe abamfu. Lo mfuna na udziniwe, ushaywa muwe. Uyeva. Thatha kudla kwakho njengoba akakufuni. Futhi ke thina nje abantu besifazane vele sesihlaniphile. Asiwuswethe nje utosifica ngemigcomo yabo khonzekayo nje. Wena nachamuka umphathi la. Hey. Ekhanza wenda leli telele. Ladibona.
Banele. Ngicela uhambe.
Ay, mara baby, sistema. Pula kodwa anyways. Ngokudla kwakho. Bye.
Mr. Thando.
Ngabe ngakusanza ukunathi.
No, ngikahle. Wena ufunani lana? Ngimele ngabe semsebenzini.
Emsebenzini. Umsebenzi wodwa. Sengilivulonke ngisho ekhaya.
Okay. Len.
Anita, awumi mani ngale mikuthi yakhuluma inene. Umsebenzi wami lomusha. No. Waiter.
Yeah, Budi.
Ngicela yebhodle.
Alright. Waiter, ungamniki lutho ukahle.
Angisha manje. Uyabona musi, angikho right.
Mr. Thando, ukahle and I think samelo uyophumula.
Asho kahle. Uyabona? Kumele ngiyophumula. Ngiyekele phela ngiphumule khona la.
Hayi lana. Endlini yakho.
Anita, uyasiphumula mosimo sami. Ngishaya kanjani nje ngizawa nje.
Ungakhathazeki, imoto yakho sizoyifaka la ngizomnikisa endlini ngenyama. Asante.
Kukhuluma kwetinkohlakalo uhambe nemoya tingabale tikhanyako timphanze titinye Sithemba siphukile tinhlitiyo tiboshiwe Oh inhlitiyo lelimalele ikhala ebusuku ifuna emadawule ligalelo lelumupho Kodwa emagetanga elubambile ngelukhuni Kubani lotawuvikela liqiniso Kubani lotawulwa Hleka kancane uvinjelwe ngethandla letingafuni kudfonsa likwala letimisele limetinyangeni lodwa phambi kwetilwandle temlamvo.
Jolly. Ozomuhle ubuyaphi?
Sabelo kungasawubona. Hawu unjani?
Sawubona ubuyaphi?
Ngikhona Sabelo.
Umuhle.
Ukhona amademo wakho lapha endlini.
Uqotha uphumanya lamademo ngivulele yena gate yem17.
Angayiboni noma nginothomba ngemoto lenye angiyathi.
Udojabula amademo ukuthi ukhona.
Sabelo kunjani nje la khaya timfati kanje?
Konke kahle konke kuhamba kahle shemsisi kudla hamba kahle konke Jojo. Siyabonga.
Sabelo nedrama.
Umuhle shem eva. Yo.
Seyinhle bomambara laba bakuphi manje? Hey, amaphara inkulu la ngwane manje. Zinodila nabo. Kama kuyini la? Yona ngqangqa wena, yona ndengane wena. Yona ngqangqa wena, uyaphileka la. Uyaphileka la. Uyaphileka la. Uyaphileka la. Hayi, angibi mina. Angibi mina. Angibi.
Ya Jolly, vuka, awuvuki. Yewona Jolly. Awuyentendwe balana vuka. Ubekwa yini? Utofuna nini? Sawubuyile. Ubuye kuphi lana utokondani? Ufuna ini?
Bekumele ukuthi ngiyephi?
Bekumele uye kuphi? Ubuta mina lo mbuto loyo. Noma ngabuye eTradi noma ngabuye emahlathini noma uphasi kwelipipe angenelani. Hayi la kami Jolly. Nyalo yena so. Bakhethe phakathi takho uphume. Ngalomnyango lodwa nawo. Mbani la lokuvulela igede? Kukuphi la? Kukuphi?
Gabane la.
Ndobuta mina kusigabane ekhalami. Awathi kusigamla. Umtshasa sisakho sisinali. Wena siswa ngimi Jolly.
Ngola imfotho yakho. Angizange ngibamba ngekhani mina. Angizange ibandla ngamamba ngekhani. Seva namusa. So wena if unenkinga nalokho, thatha lokho. Uyokumixa le emathuneni nevoteni yakho.
Asane so. Kuze toba melula. Thatha lokho. Utithathe nawe. Nitimixele emathuneni okunamandla khona. Simple. Uphume endlini yami. Pack your things and go. You do not belong here. See you.
Oh yes I do, darling.
No. You know what? You can stay. Once you deliver this, uyahamba. Usala nomvana la noba wamondla. Wena awunanzawula.
Kinenza.
Ubeke worried. Kwendekani?
Ethulani. Kanti nginawa nguwe. Ngumelo lo ngenda nje.
Uthi uyade kuthukuphi la? Ukamla. Uphendula lengubude kona. Ngiyakubona ngathi unenkinga. Ngifuna likwaye. Ubheme, ukhiphele ngapkhapha lela ngcondweni.
Ngibukala ngibhema mina. Angisisikhotheni phela mina.
Okay, ngiyawubhema wena. Ngawufuna wena. Singakakhulumi nje. Geneza, yinye kuphela into engifuna kuwe. Ngifuna ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi ngubani lo nesandla ekufeni kwemnaketho uMandla.
Ethulani. Nawu mbuka kahle mina ngimbulali. Ngimathe yaphi umuntu ofabule mina ke Thulani mina. Mina ngingumeli mina. Ngikutshela kuthini vele? Ufunani kimi?
Yona ke. Ungadodlala ngami uyeva. Ngithi mina ngitshela ukuthi ngibani lo nesandla ekufeni kwemnaketho.
Ngithe amadi. Angathi lutho.
Yabona Geneza. Yabona nasofuna ukukhuluma nawe. Utangitshela.
Enhleke Sikhulu Sami, we would love to say thank you once again for what you have done for us. We really appreciate it and we are grateful. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. You know, you guys are useful for us out here. You shouldn't be in the custody for long. And mind you, I'm not a Father Christmas. I bail you guys out to help me while I help you guys. And it's tit for tat. You help me, I help you. Yeah. This is example. As you can see it yourself, this is one of them. And I'm still having almost 25 bags in the storeroom that needs to be crossed between now and next week. You can check it out.
Stuff. Not a problem at all, boss. You know, with me and this guy here, you've got 2 boys at your service, 24/7. So feel free. We're gonna plan how to travel this thing over to SA.
And mind you guys, there is no gameplay here. You know I'm a foreigner. And if you do, this can end up in the grave. Please, be a gentleman. Let's make cool money together.
No, we understand you, School Son.
Don't go yet. I think this calls for celebration. Let me get some wine and drink together.
Amtanzini wedolopha thinyanga titfutfuma kukhuluma kwetinkhohlakalo kuhambe nemoya tingabale tikhanyako timphanze titinye sitsemba sikhukile.
Ngiyabonga. Akho konke longendela khona eDolo.
Kulungile. Mina lethela kudla kwakho kwasekuseni.
Nkulunkulu wami. Maye ngiyabonga. Ndawucela usi ungisayinela lana.
Hey wena, usho la Mngomedu.
Ngithe umkakhe hayi la Mngomedu.
Ngibani phela loyo khuluma?
Ungamandla make Mngomedu.
Sorry about that, Mrs. Simelane. So, what are these girls saying?
They are busy asking me some questions that I couldn't find an answer to.
What kind of question again?
One of them asked me that what kind of job are they going to do overseas?
Amtanzini wedolopha tinyanga titfutfuma kukhuluma kwetinkohlakalo kuhambe nemoya tingabale tikhanyako timphanze titinye September siphukile tinhlitiyo tiboshiwe oh inhlitiyo